Hello there, it's Justin with Bill Houch RV and Marine, and I'm just doing a quick little video tour walk around of this 2006 Forest River Sandpiper that we just got in stock here. It is a beautiful, beautiful unit. It's almost in like new condition. 24 foot. You saw the one slide on the one side. Got the awning on the outside. Nice big storage bin underneath here. It's going to pass through right to the other side. Underneath it here, you have the other big storage. You have six 6-volt batteries done in May 2017. You have a 1750 watt inverter. You got power jacks up front. Go around the side here. Go tour. Ladder on the back. You even got 2 spare tires. Let's go on inside. So, really nice layout, nice and open, lots of windows. Got the seating area. This will turn into a bed. A nice couch back here that also folds out into a bed. Nice sized kitchen. Cabinets galore. Microwave, stove, oven. Really good sized fridge. Freezer. Then here you have the nice shower. Inside here. Got your toilet in here. A nice max fan in the bathroom. Bedroom, you have a queen size walk around bed. You got your sink back in here. Lots more storage cabinets up on top of the bed. You got nice storage on the side. Another little drawer down here. A little vent for the roof. Yeah, all in all, this is a gorgeous, gorgeous unit. Like I said, 2006 Forest River. Hey, Ryan.
Hey.
So yeah, come check it out. You're really not going to find anything much nicer than this for a 2006, that's for sure. So once again, 24 foot Sandpiper Forest River 5th wheel, 2006. List price is $16,995. Thanks for watching.